How to delete Facebook page. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Now let's get started. Launch your Facebook app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now head towards the menu page. At the top right, you will find three dots. Tap on it. Now select your Facebook page that you want to delete. After you switch your Facebook account to the Facebook page, now head towards the menu page again. After you land to the menu page, scroll down. Go to the option Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Now at the top right corner, you will find this search icon. Tap on it. Type in delete. Now tap on this option, delete page and information. Over here you will get two options, deactivate page and delete page. Select the option of delete page. Deleting your Facebook page is permanent. When you delete your Facebook page, you won't be able to retrieve the content or information that you have shared on Facebook. Tap on continue. Now here you have to give a reason why do you want to delete your page, and then tap on continue. Before page deletion, here you're gonna get different options. You can download your information or transfer your information, and after you are done with that, tap on continue. Now type in your password and then tap on the option of continue, and with that your page will be deleted. So this is how you can easily delete Facebook page. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.